Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the three different approaches that you can follow to implement SAP planning. If you're working in S4 project or even BW4 project, so this is for very important for you to learn how the planning will be done now. And in all of the approaches, we have a common thing, that is SAC. SAP Analytic Cloud is added, and here I will discuss about three approaches, and also I will be telling you when you need which approach to be implemented. So in the first approach, here we have the business warehouse. Suppose your project is already having the SAP BW or SAP BW for HANA implemented, and you have already have the planning model that you have made on BW IP, and the same model can be accessed through SAC as well as Analysis for Office. And here, if you are implementing SAC in the front end, then you have to use the connection called BPC Live Connection. So using this connection, actually you can connect to SAC, and you can also do the application development in SAC. And if you don't do on Analysis for Office, but we have the option still in if you're using SAC, you can still use AO for the application development. Now coming to the next approach, where you don't have any concept of BW. It is a complete SAP SAC native approach. Here you have to do your planning model from the scratch, and here the source system can be either any ERP, maybe SAP system or other non-SAP system. So you can extract the table from there, and you can do the planning in the SAC, and also you can do the application development in SAC, and here in this case you can do that. And I would say you that this is mainly focused for a small organization, or where you don't want to store any data. In that cases you are going to use this second approach. So the last approach here is the S4HANA embedded approach. Here you have a source system as S4HANA, and you have a connection called BBC Live Connection to connect with the SAC, and you also have this Analysis for Office for the application development, and also you have SAC for the application development. And here you are directly saving the data into the source table. And here in all three approaches, as I said, it is used for different scenarios. Like if you have a BW system and already you have invested so much into their planning BW IP, then you must use this scenario first approach. And the second one, suppose you don't have any BW system, in that case you want to build the planning from the beginning, from the scratch, then you follow this SAC native approach. And if you have this S4HANA system implemented, in that case you apply the last approach. I hope you are from planning background and also BW background, you would understand these approaches very clearly. And if you have any question, doubt, if you want to ask anything, please comment below. I will be happy to answer those. Thank you for watching.